Let's study what, when, where questions with the verb be. How to make a question. Use what, where, when, or how, plus the verb be, plus the subject. Examples. What is that? Where is she from? How are you? Listen and repeat. What? Examples. What is that? What's your name? Where? Where's the park? Where are you from? When? When's your birthday? When are you free? Contractions are common with WH plus is. Examples. What is? What's? What's his name? Where is? Where's? Where's the bank? When is? When's? When's your class? Examples.
What's your name?
Nicole.
Nice to meet you. I'm John.
What's that?
It's a quiz.
Where's the park?
On First Street.
Where are the keys?
Over there.
When are you free today?
After class.
When's your birthday?
On July 1st.
Okay, let's practice. What are the missing words? What's the missing word here? What's your name? What are the missing words? Where are the keys?
Over there.
What's the missing word? When's your birthday?
On July 1st.
What's the missing word? When are you free today?
After class.
What's the missing word? What's that?
It's a quiz.
What's the missing word here? Where's the park?
On First Street.